Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to manage sound and media settings on your account on Telegram easy and quickly. So first of all, enter Telegram and then click on these three lines and then go to the settings and go to the chat settings, and here we have the media and sound. So as you see here, you can we have many options like tap to show next media, raise to listen, raise to speak. So that's it. You can manage this as you want. So that's how to manage the media and sound settings on your account on Telegram easy and quickly. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.